I am Auda Sacco, the mind behind Redress Laboratory. Redress Laboratory is an upcycling fashion brand and a revamping services based in London. It was born from my simple and long-term philosophy around reusing and reinventing clothes. My background in fashion and costume design opened my eyes to the vast amount of resources involved in producing clothing, accessories and footwear. I found myself wondering, what exactly are these materials made of? How are they made and where do they go once they have been discarded? To find answer to my question, I began researching the eco-conscious fashion scene. My duty as a sustainable designer is to make use of the resources that we already have available to us, but also to minimize the amount of waste produced, and more importantly, to research and use sustainable alternatives to synthetic fabric, while still producing unique, versatile, and aesthetic pieces. At Redress Laboratory, we reuse, repair, and upcycle existing material and product in an ongoing reinvention process. So why is upcycling fashion important to us? Well, upcycling is very important to us simply because when you choose to buy an upcycled product made from discarded materials, you will offset the water and energy needed to produce the same product from scratch. But it's not only that. Our upcycling process will directly regulate natural resources, save energy, and reduce the amount of clothing waste at landfill sites. Ethical fashion represents a solution to design, sourcing, and manufacture of textile, which benefits human beings, local communities, and more importantly, it reduces the pollution on the environment.
I'm Shreya and I'm the textile curator at Redress Lab. Me and Oda met while studying costume design together. We shared similar inspiration and design ideas towards project, and we completely bonded over that. And a year ago we decided to take a leap into sustainable fashion. With Redress Lab, we not only want to breathe a new life into secondary textiles, but we also want to take our research into sustainability further. With Redress Lab, I got a chance to learn and research about biopolymers in plastic. In the past months, I have been researching into agar-agar as a biopolymer used to make plastic. Together, we are researching towards developing bio-based plastics which are more sustainable than regular plastics in fashion.
Investing in sustainable alternative and textile innovation is central to our identity as a brand. But we can't do it alone. You can help us to further our research into textile innovation. With this research, we will gain a clear control of our supply chain, the development of our upcycling process and bioplastic, and evolve as a brand. Together with Shreya, we have started to work on our first garment made entirely from bioplastic. It's called the BioSuit jacket. We believe this jacket will move the fashion industry one step closer to an era of regenerative industrialization. We want to change in the industry for both high-end companies and independent designers like ourselves. Your contribution will enable us to access and use technology that will create an environmentally sound future for fashion. As a consumer, we are all responsible for the future of our planet. Everything we use has a carbon footprint, so change starts with us. Would you join us in making fashion sustainable? Your donation will fund the research and development needed to create this future. Only together we can reduce the damaging effect of the fashion industry and protect our environment for future generations.